Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 4 of the
Dynamic Duo.
We started saying this together now, I guess, apparently. So if you haven't watched us before, I'm Carrie Parker.
I'm Kyley Paul.
And welcome. We are going to do a workshop with Mom today for the Dynamic Duo. Coaching with Kyley has a lot of downloadable programs, workshops, seminars, and we will definitely attach those to our video today. And Kyley's going to walk me through one of those kind of mini workshops that she would do with people, one aspect of it. And this is live, folks. We're not editing this. So Mom's going to try this. If I can do it, anyone can do it. So Kyley, you're up.
All right. So one thing that I would identify as the most important thing I've learned, or most important piece to my business building over the last 7 years, is my mindset, and being able to continually learn and upgrade and shift and have as much control as possible over my mindset and my thoughts, which controls my outcome. So we're going to do a quick mindset hack that I use all the time, and I was also able to use on my oldest son, and we're doing this cold. So if you want to follow along with us, please do so. Grab a pen and paper to write your answers as I ask the questions, and you can pause the video so you can have some time to write your questions down and answer them with us. So first of all, we're going to identify one fear or worry that's top of mind for you right now. So what comes up first for you?
COVID.
Okay. So what specifically about COVID, or what thoughts come up when you think of COVID?
I have anxious thoughts, worried, scared for family members.
Scared for family members. Okay. And what feelings or emotions does that bring up for you?
I guess anxiety, feelings. What feelings could I attach to that? Sadness.
Okay. So what we do is, once you everyone has a fear or maybe spiraling thoughts that they have going on during the day that are unproductive or negative, we would probably classify them as. You think about the feelings or what common thoughts keep popping up in your head, and identify the feelings or emotions that are coming up for you. Now, the hack of this is to flip it upside down. So what if there was no COVID right now? What if there were 0 cases in Canada? So okay. What thoughts come up for you? Your family is completely immune. There are no cases in Canada right now.
Okay.
So have that thought in your head. Let it kind of sink in. And what feelings or emotions are you feeling now with that thought?
Relief.
That's a good one.
Joy. Is it okay to say you're less anxious?
Yeah, you can say, calm.
Calm, yeah. Calmer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. So when you go through this exercise, you want to really kind of sit with your feelings and your emotions in your body. So I recommend sitting with your knees bent, your feet on the ground so that you're grounded, closing your eyes to have this feeling, and then just be present with yourself. And the quickness of this hack is that you will feel in your body a shift once you flip that thought or fear on its head or completely backwards. So I didn't really give Mom enough time for her to sit with those feelings and feel the sadness or anxiety, and then flip it and feel the joy and excitement and calmness. But that is the experience that you should have after this mindset hack. So I invite you guys to try it. Like I said, sit with your feelings for maybe set a 1-minute timer and sit with your feelings. And then when you flip the thought on its head, set another 1-minute timer. Give yourself some time to absorb the feeling in your body, and then let us know your thoughts and if that works for you.
Well, I can tell you that actually, just thinking of it one way with the COVID, and then you saying there's no COVID, even without the time period, you can definitely relate to your feelings. So if it can work in that amount of time, we're hoping it works for you. And again, we're going to attach programs and links that you can look up some of Kyley's videos and purchase downloadable programs with this, because, hey, that was great. I love that tip, and I'm going to keep trying to use that. Thank you very much. And this was episode 4 of the Dynamic Duo. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.